guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 25, you guys. Merry Christmas. I am having so many mixed emotions right now because Vlogmas is over and I'm kind of sad about that, but at the same time I'm happy that the stress of having to film and edit every day is over. But Merry Christmas. If you guys don't know already, if you haven't watched my other videos, me and my family did Christmas a week early because we were coming to Florida, and we're in Florida right now. So our Christmas is already over, but this morning my parents surprised me and my siblings with tickets to Animal Kingdom. So we're gonna be doing that today, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you haven't already watched all of my other Vlogmas videos, I put them into a playlist. You guys can watch all of them in order, so definitely go check that out if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, that is going to be the end of today's vlog. Today was the last day of Vlogmas 2023, and I have such mixed emotions. I'm so proud of myself for sticking through it without too many tears, and I am so thankful for each and every one of you that likes my videos and that comments on them. And if you guys have any ideas or requests for future videos, please comment them down below and I will try my best to get to your video request. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I know I said that already, but I am just so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me this year. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!